Hey everyone, the NAVEE S40 is a commuter scooter made for short commuting, city riding, and leisurely cruising. Although its performance is more akin to that of an urban transport gadget than a fast car, it features a futuristic appearance with a cyberpunk vibe. At $699, it is a cost-effective choice for individuals seeking a reliable daily scooter. Performance-wise, the NAVEE S40 can attain a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour thanks to its 350 watts motor, which peaks at 700 watts. Even when descending, the scooter actively reduces its speed to maintain control and stability. It can climb slopes up to 18%, which is a modest amount of inclines. Nevertheless, on steep hills, riders may need to walk to help. A maximum rider weight of 265 pounds can be supported by the 49-pound scooter. Its sturdy and dependable folding mechanism facilitates storage and transportation. The scooter's well-designed latch-based folding mechanism ensures that it stays safely locked when folded. Even when stored in a car trunk, a powerful headlight, a tail light that also functions as a brake light, and auto-sensing features that turn on the front light in low light are the components of the lighting system. The integrated turn signals on either side of the handlebars are one notable feature. These provide an additional degree of security because they are visible from both the front and the back. To let riders know when they are activated, they also make an audible beeping noise. A thumb throttle with a soft rubber grip and an easy-to-use interface that lets riders select between riding modes are among the well-positioned controls. Important details like speed and battery life are shown on the huge, clear 4-inch display in the middle of the handlebars. Its brightness guarantees reading in direct sunlight, despite the fact that it is not a color display. The 36 volts, 7.65 ampere-hours battery that powers the NAVEE S40 requires about 6 hours to fully charge. With a 25-mile range, it's ideal for quick commutes, park excursions, and weekend enjoyment. By turning kinetic energy back into power when braking, regenerative braking helps to marginally prolong battery life. A rear electronic brake and a front drum brake make up the braking system. Riders must provide some stopping distance because the brakes are efficient but not unduly forceful. The 10-inch tubeless tires that come with the NAVEE S40 are not designed for off-road riding, but they do provide good resistance to punctures. Additionally, the scooter has a dual swing-arm suspension system that offers a little amount of cushioning over tiny obstacles like potholes and sewer grates, as well as rougher city roads. Additionally, it makes features like headlamp changes, cruise control, and remote scooter locking possible. Because there isn't much room on the handlebars for mounting a phone, users might have to fasten their gadgets to the handlebar grips. Apple's Find My integration is among the most remarkable software capabilities. An additional degree of security is offered by the ability to trace the scooter using the Find My app in the event that it is lost or stolen. So the NAVEE S40 is a chic and sturdy commuter scooter that strikes a balance between comfort, safety features, and speed. Its practical design, integrated turn signals, Apple Find My support, and sturdy build quality make it an excellent option for urban riders searching for a dependable and user-friendly scooter, even though it lacks the fastest acceleration and the strongest hill climbing skills. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new scooter? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.